Yeah, okay. No, that's all good.
Is she pretty harmless?
Like, pythons are harmless, yeah, in terms of the fact they're not venomous.
Is it a male?
What's that?
Is it a male snake or you don't?
No, it's hard to tell. Yeah, it's hard to tell when they're this size. How'd you come? How'd you come? How'd you come? How'd you come? I'm just trying to be nice and gentle because that's a pretty sharp edge just there. Nice and warm. So that tin's nice and warm, which would be warming the snake up. Where'd I put my bag? Up here. You're right, Cranky.
Money well spent, I say, Stu.
That's all right. Yeah, most people aren't big fans of snakes, but
No, thank you.
in you go. Beautiful.